masasabing properly close na ang business mo kay BIR pag nakuha mo ng BIR Form 2320 or Certificate of No Outstanding Tax Liability. Hello guys, my name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at GA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Again, itong document na to, ang pinaka-importante pag nag-decide ka ng isara ang freelancing business mo. So this is sa client namin, 2 months namin siya na-process. So nagulat kami at mabilis si RDO 41 Mandaluyong. Meron kaming other client, umabot ng 1 year guys. So depende rin talaga sa BIR office at syempre kung kumpleto ba yung nire-require sa'yo ni BIR. First step is magsasubmit ka muna, magre-request ka ng business closure using BIR Form 1905. And then meron pang mga process doon. Pag natapos mo na yung mga nire-require sa'yo ni BIR, make sure na ito yung pinaka-final output, Certificate of No Outstanding Tax Liability, para masabi mong nasara mo na ng maayos ang freelancing business mo kay BIR. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.